Oh my god, guys, you wouldn't believe that this app actually paid me $3 for yesterday. I didn't think I spent like 3 hours. No, it wasn't up to 3 hours, and I got this money. Like, I was like, wow, is this for real? And I've gone to check everything about the app, and I've seen people withdrawing from this app. I've gone to check everything, both the rules and regulations of this app. You can actually withdraw, unlike we and other apps that is agency pay. So what you're going to be needing for this app is, come closer, you're going to be using your Binance account. So if you don't have Binance account, better start now to register your Binance account. Look for a way and register. Learn how to register Binance account, and learn how to withdraw your USDT from any particular app that you're going to be using, despite, even if it's not this particular app, maybe your future app. So try as much as possible to learn how to make use of Binance account. So like I said earlier, he paid me $3 yesterday, and I didn't do much. Like, unlike other apps where you can go live streaming, you can talk for so many hours, and people are not actually going to be gifting you. But this particular app has its own way of paying you. So what I involve in this particular app is, you have your private call, you have your random call. So if you're actually going to be registering in this particular app, all you need to do is I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box where you are going to be getting paid. And now I'm also going to tell you a little bit truth that might also skip you off. This app pays you once you get to $40. That is the minimum withdrawal. So once you get to $40, you can actually place your withdrawal, and the withdrawal is always every Wednesday. So you can start like Monday and make your $40 by Wednesday, or you can start by any day at all. Once your money is complete to that $40 or $100, depending on the amount you want to like cash out for the week and how hardworking you are, then you can actually place a withdrawal on Wednesday and get it on Thursday. Like I will always tell my subscribers and my friends here, if you want to actually start this particular apps, make sure that you are hardworking enough. Don't just enter today and tomorrow you are running off. No, just make sure that if you want to place yourself on weekly salary, this is the best way for you to place yourself on weekly salary, by doing what? Being active. Like, once you're active and hardworking, believe me, people are going to be you're going to be getting money. Like, you're going to be making it every single week, and believe me also, you're going to be cashing a huge amount of money. So now, this particular app, I'm going to be dropping it either in the description box, or I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp group in the description box. And for, let me just tell you everything that are involved in this particular app. Don't just run off now, just hold on. Now, what are the things that are involved in this particular app? These are the rules and regulations I also want you to know before you start downloading. So once you've logged in into this particular app, depending on the link you're going to be using, so once you are in the app, what you're going to be doing is simple. You are not going to be wearing a revealing clothes. Your clothes shouldn't be revealed. You are not going to be licking your mouth. You're not going to be licking your hands. Like, you're not going to be doing anything sexual attempting. Okay, so you're going to be like, you're going to be your normal self. You can wear revealing hands, okay, but not just, you're not going to wear something that's going to show your breast, because if such kind of things are being seen in this particular app, they are going to flag you, like they're going to ban your account. So what you are going to be doing is, you are going to just stay in your random call, click on the place where it says random. So once you are there, you're going to just sit down, wait for people to call you, and mostly is white men. Like all through yesterday that I was there, I only got white men, not Nigerians. I didn't see any atom of Nigerian guy. No, I didn't. So you're going to just sit down there, talk to them. Those people that are lonely, like yesterday, I could remember I met a guy, he's from the US. He was like, he just downloaded the app and wanted to try it. Like, he just wanted somebody to talk to, and believe me, that guy gave me like $2 yesterday, like depend like when how the coins were reading. So it was actually the one that gave me that $2. Depending, imagine when you have like 2 or 3 guys that actually looking for someone to just talk to. He was just talking to me, telling me about Nigeria. I was even surprised that he knows a lot about Nigeria. So you can also like download it. And also, one thing I also want to let you know is this: you don't just make money from this app, you can actually get your dream partner. Okay, you can get your dream partner abroad. All these girls that are telling you that they met a guy from this app, they met a guy from it depends on how they are actually attending to them, like how they are replying to them. They are not replying to them harshly and all that, and they are not always after money. You can also like have your own mindset of like making money and finding your dream partner from this particular app. And you know how to approach people. You don't approach white men like you approach Nigerian men. It's not possible. Okay, so you know what your game is, you know what you are looking for from this particular app. This app is the app we have been hearing chat with lonely foreigners. I got I have a dating, this dating app gave me this particular person. You've been seeing a lot of them on TikTok, right? This is the app for you. This is the best app now for you. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to join this family and don't forget to hit the subscription button. And remember, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box and also my WhatsApp group. And one thing I want to also tell you, because I think I forgot this, one thing I want to tell you is when you log into this particular app, you are going to be seeing what they call invite code. So that invite code, when you are trying to register, because it doesn't have app in Play Store, it's only on Apple Play Store that they have app. So once I drop the link and you click on the link, you're going to see something that looks like invite code. They'll tell you that it is your invite code. All you need to do is just copy that invite code down. So once you log in, they're going to be asking you of that invite code, and you're going to put in that invite code so that it's going to take you into the app. Okay, and for those of you that are making use of iPhone, iOS, I'm going to be dropping the link too. So I'm going to be dropping the name of the app in the description box so that you can actually go to your store and download it. Okay, so make sure to hit that subscription button once again, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was actually helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.